the hell are we?
We're in the Mahoney New Ice Bar.
Wow.
New for the season. We just had a major snowstorm, so we're kind of cleaning her up again.
And you made all those, the shelving, didn't you?
Yeah, we made all these slabs of ice. And it's fun because we can change the
Wow.
orange here with just a couple of switches.
Ah! Wow!
Here's our,
Wow.
we're on a little mood changing light now.
Amazing!
We need a couple more pieces right here. They'll be finished up tomorrow.
And this is the fire pit?
This is the fire pit that needs to be dug out.
So how did you create this giant wall?
So this wall was a joint venture effort made with two different construction techniques that we're evaluating. First technique was you put a form up and you take the snow blower, and the grinding of the snow blower puts just enough heat into the snow to liquefy it a little bit, so then when it sets and freezes again, it turns hard as a rock. The other technique was a technique where my son, co-architect Finn, he and his buddies from Mines, they built the top 3 to 4 feet of this wall by taking real sugary snow, because it was really dry at that time up here, and they would pile it into a form and add a little bit of water to it, and it seems to hold up really well too. Hardened up great. So.
Wow. And I love the stairs. Are there stairs under that?
Yeah, there were stairs there.
Oh,
already.
okay.
So,
Pretty rad.
So here's the fire pit. We'll get the fire pit going.
God, this is so yummy.
See all the changing of color of lights?
Yeah, these are spectacular. Did it take many days to freeze those, or has it been so cold?
You know, these chunks of ice, I found out you need a minimum of 48 hours at pretty single digits, maybe even colder. I've got a few, you can see a couple that are broken in half that weren't frozen. We've got some up here too that weren't quite frozen, or they weren't frozen enough to where they would fault. So, yeah, but the ones that you let freeze for 3 or 4 days, they turn out pretty hard. They're kind of just like big old bricks.
This is awesome. Congratulations.
It's looking pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, it'll be fun to see how long it lasts.
It will be fun to see.
I mean, to see if it lasts for a month, or it'll all depend, I guess, on the... So down here, these are forms.
No, those are slabs that are going to be, we're going to put lights behind those also, so we'll have lit panels on the lower level.
Rad. Thank you.
They'll light up just like these.
Mm-hmm.